everybody. I couldn't pass up the chance to document the most snow this region has seen in the last 13 years or so. It's coming down pretty hard. It's been snowing since about 10 o'clock last night. And we still have a blizzard in effect till 6 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock right now. And after that there will be intermittent flurries all the way till about tomorrow morning. So it's coming down pretty hard right now. And as you can see, my feet are buried in the snow, which I think is pretty cool. That's right. I'm up to about knee-deep snow here. You can't really tell where the sidewalk ends and where the street begins. So just walking around right now, it's pretty treacherous. But I'm having fun. I think I'm going to stroll around to, there's a park around the corner. See if I can build an igloo or something.